Welcome to Crystal Bliss Phonics, where we learn our sounds one step at a time. Today, we are going to learn how to blend consonant and vowel sounds to make them sound like ba, ka, da, and so on. But before then, you need to remember that there are 5 vowel sounds, and they are a, e, o. Let's take that again. A, e, o. Good job. Now let's begin our blend with the first vowel, which is a. So we have b, a, ba, k, a, ka, d, a, da, f, a, fa, g, a, ga, h, a, ha, j, a, ja, k, a, ka, a, la, a, ma, a, na, p, a, pa, qu, a, qua, a, ra, s, a, sa, t, a, ta, v, a, va, w, a, wa, yi, a, ya, z, a, za. Great job. Let's move on to the next vowel sound, which is e. So we have b, be, d, de, f, fe, g, ge, h, he, j, je, k, ke, l, le, me, ne, p, pe, qu, que, re, s, se, t, te, v, ve, w, we, yi, ye, z, ze. Great job. Let's move on to the next vowel sound, and that is e. So we go b, e, b, d, e, d, f, e, fi, g, e, gi, h, e, he, j, e, g, k, e, ki, l, e, li, e, mi, e, ni, p, e, pi, qu, e, qui, e, ri, s, e, si, t, e, ti, v, e, vi, w, e, wi, yi, e, yi, z, e, z. Great job. You can go through these vowel sounds and study the blends again before you move on to the next vowel. So the next vowel is o. So we go b, o, bo, k, o, ko, d, o, do, f, o, fo, g, o, go, h, o, ho, j, o, jo, k, o, ko, l, o, lo, or mo, or no, or po, or quo, or raw, or so, or to, or vo, or wo, ye, or yo, z, or zo. Now, if you look at the first blend, which is b or bo, we have bo as in boy. If you look at the second blend, which is k or ko, you can add a sound to make it caught, which is caught. Okay, great job. You can go through these sounds again and master them because you need them to be able to read properly. So let's move to the next vowel sound, which is the last vowel sound. So here we have b, o, b, k, o, k, d, o, d, f, o, f, g, o, g, h, o, h, j, o, j, k, o, k, l, o, l, o, m, o, n, p, o, p, o, r, s, o, s, t, o, t, v, o, v, w, o, w, y, o, y, z, o, z. Great job today. Keep practicing your sounds one step at a time. See you in the next lesson.